Okay, so that's a Festool felt pad. Never used it before. You see the package is a little dusty. Let's see what happens. That's the Rotex. It's the grinder sander. You don't want to use dust control with waxes or oils, I believe. So we're going to set it up for the coarse grind. We're going to do that one because that has a bigger orbit, a bigger stroke pattern. And so we're going to see what happens. Okay, I can't remember if I was supposed to take some of the extra off, but we'll grab a, oops, excuse my reach. All right, I'm going to knock off some of the wax. I think we have an excess. But I like what's happening with the color. This is a lot better than kind of a grayish haze. You can see it has a lot more tone, darker tone. Got some funny swirls in here. I'm thinking maybe it's the steel wool application. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the kind of the dry non-applicator side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out some of that extra wax. So there's a bunch of wax there. Maybe I do need a carb buffer. All right, so there's like, you can see the weird swirls and stuff like that. So it could be just be the Annie Sloan. Like I said, I got it from somebody that didn't have a lot of kind words for it. However, the top does look like it has the potential to get a lot better. All the fine cracks, this one's kind of patched, and so it's, I want to say it's completely minimized the scratches, but they don't have the brightness that they had before. So I'm going to keep buffing it and see if the friction helps. I'm probably just trying to pick some of the wax off it with paper towels. So anyways, yeah, it looks like it's the methodology, the idea that you can take that hazy kind of flat laminate and punch it up with some dark wax. It seems like it's a good idea. Starting to question whether Annie Sloan's the one you want to do it with, but as far as testing it out, it certainly made a big difference. So it looks a lot newer than what it did before, just with the haze and the laminate. So I'm going to keep buffing it out. We'll see where we end up. Okay, so if you're looking to something fun to do with your afternoon, I did try this to see if I could get some of the extra wax out, because clearly wax softens up when it heats up generally. And if you can create some friction, you're going to create some heat, which will soften the wax. So you can maybe guess where I'm going with this, but it's funny to see. I just need to take this and flatten it out some. All right, let's do this. So as you can see, it is picking up the extra wax. Like I said, I don't know about this anti-Sloan stuff, but I guess it's going away now. I mean, it's still giving me this kind of silicone haze, which or whatever that is. I don't know. There's just kind of streaks. But the flip side is that the top looks amazing now. So definitely a dark paste. If it's not anti-Sloan, then something else. But yeah, the laminate looks just a lot more interesting, a lot darker, just a lot less dated and hazy. So if you have some MCM stuff where you want to punch it up, this looks like the way to do it.